bottle caps and dance floor.
People kid rock it up and down the block, and the hands all flock to the coop with the cock. You wanna rock with me, baby? Roll it down to the swamp.
Dr. Boat would do the hillbilly song.
Do it. We'll do the hillbilly stomp. Moonshine through the bottom of a jug, hugging and kissing with my vision all blurry, sifting through this world of worry. Hurry
I don't want that rabbit.
Please,
I don't want everybody joking. we can shoot those?
I didn't start this mess on this planet. Stop looking at me like a bandit. I've been chilling down at the swamp with the folks that want to
Do hillbilly song.
Something. You don't see the part of Rick, or we call him Dad. That just, I mean, if we go out shooting something, he usually 22. It's always him. It's always all this and that and everything. So you get the better of him, he's sore. Hey. Oh.
And stomp around the woods like you're all fucked up. Circle up the trucks, fire up the brush.
I got one right over there.
Kick some dust. Don't 2 + 2 it or 3 + 3 it.
No, you did not.
To a place that's scenic. Heat it up hot like some ham hocks cooking, and hot to the spot where the cops ain't looking. Bring your whole flock going down to the swamp, and we can rock all night
Doing the hillbilly song.
We'll do the hillbilly stomp.
That was just cool.
We'll do the hillbilly stomp.
Oh, yeah.